Welcome back to Krugerville Farms. We completed the assembly of our Smart Coop and looks pretty nice. We'll be adding some pine shavings and other material down in the run as well as underneath the coop. And the chicks are in the garage. They're about a week old. We purchased 5 of them, and here in about 6-7 weeks, plus or minus, they'll be introduced to their new home. And then we're going to kind of report our progress and just talk about what you can do in your backyard to raise and grow some wonderful food that your family can enjoy. And then Omi's going to have a lot of fun with the grandkids, working with them out here and showing them what they can do. So it should be fun. Camp Omi begins next week. Don will have the 3 grandbabies, and there's going to be a lot of stuff to do, as well as being introduced to the chicks. Have a wonderful Memorial Day.